Alright, so I'm dropping this thing off here at Pro Touch Automotive Detailing to see what they can do about all these swirl marks and stuff. You really can't see too much, but yeah, we're gonna see what they can do. Hopefully we'll get rid of some of this gunk around here. It's kind of a before shot. You can kind of see all the swirl marks and stuff. So, all right, we'll pick it up when it's done. All right, so I just got this back from the detailing shop here. I can say I highly recommend this place. This thing is glossy. I had them wash it and do a paint correction on it, and then they ceramic coated it, and it really brought the plastic back to life. It's crazy. That is crazy. Like, look at this. It's just complete glass. Wow. Very good. Even cleaned up all the wheels too. I have to say I'm more impressed with the plastic because I literally thought that was too far gone. It was all faded and stuff. This spoiler's gonna have to need repainted, but I don't know, I might just leave it because at this point the car, yeah, might not be worth it. All right.